Hello students, let's continue chapter 12th, that is exponents and powers. Today we will learn use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. Students, you have learned how to express very large numbers in standard form in the previous class. For example, 150,000,000,000. Here, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 0. So we write 10 to power 10. So we write 15 multiply 10 raised to power 10 is equal to 1.5 multiply 10 to power 11 in standard form. Clear? You have learnt in your previous class. Now let us try to express 0.000007 meter in standard form. Students, as you know that we can write 0.7 is equal to 7 upon 10. 0.07 is equal to 7 upon 100 and 0.007 is equal to 7 upon 1000. So students, you can observe that here one digit after decimal point, so we write 10 as a denominator. Here two digit after decimal point, so we write here 100 as a denominator, and same here 3 digit after decimal point, so we write 1000 as a denominator. Same here, how many digits after decimal point? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So we write 7 upon 1 and 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we write 7 upon 10 to power 6 is equal to 7 multiply 10 to power minus 6. We can write 1 upon 10 to power 6 is equal to 10 to power minus 6. So we express this number as 7 multiply 10 to power minus 6 meter. Another example, 0.0016 centimeter is equal to how many 0 after decimal number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 16 upon 1 with 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 16 upon 10 to power 4 is equal to 16 multiply 10 to power minus 4. So we can write 16 upon 10 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 multiply 10 raised to power minus 4. Students, we can write 10 to power 4 as 10 to power minus 4. Now we will express 16 multiply 10 raised to power minus 4 in standard form. So we write 16 upon 10 multiply 10 raised to power minus 4 multiply 10 is equal to 1.6. 16 upon 10 means 1.6 multiply 10 raised to power minus 4 plus 1. Here 10 to power 1. So we can write 0.0016 centimeter is equal to 1.6 multiply minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So we write 10 raised to power minus 3 centimeter. So students, we can say it is difficult to read, write and compare very small and very large number. So standard form is used to represent them. Very small numbers can be expressed in standard form using negative exponents, and standard form is also called scientific notation. Let's solve exercise 12.2. First question, express the following numbers in standard form. Students, I will solve first and third part. Second, fourth and fifth part you have to do by yourself. Solution of first part. Here count the digit after decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we write 85 upon 10 to power 13 is equal to 85 multiply 10 to power minus 13. Now we will express this number in standard form. So we divide 85 by 10 and multiply by 10. 85 upon 10 is equal to 8.5. Multiply 10 to power minus 13 and plus 1. Minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12. So we write 8.5 multiply 10 to power minus 12. Solution of third part. Here count the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we write 602 multiply 10 to power 13 is equal to 602 upon 100. Multiply 10 to power 13 multiply 100. Here we multiply and divide 602 by 100. We write 602 upon 100 as 6.02. So that only one non-zero digit should be before the decimal point and rest all the digits after the decimal point. So we write 6.02 multiply 10 to power 13 multiply 10 to power 2. We write 100 as 10 to power 2. 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 13 plus 2 is equal to 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 15. Second question, express the following numbers in usual form. Students, I will solve first, second and sixth part. You have to do third, fourth and fifth part by yourself. Solution of first part. 3.02 multiply 10 raised to power minus 6. So we write 3.02 upon 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 302. Here we remove point, so we write 302 upon 100 multiply 10 to power 6. Because here two digits after decimal points, so we write 100 as a denominator is equal to 302 upon 10 raised to power 2 multiply 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 302 upon 10 raised to power 2 plus 6 is equal to 302 upon 10 raised to power 8. Students, you can see here 10 raised to power 8 as a denominator. We have to put decimal point before 8 digit. So we write 50 before 302. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit here. Now we will write 0.0000302. Second sum, 4.5 multiply 10 raised to power 4. Solution of second sum, 4.5 multiplied 10 raised to power 4 is equal to 45 upon 10. Students, we can write 4.5 as 45 upon 10 is equal to 45 multiplied 10 raised to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 45 multiplied 10 raised to power 3. Now we will write 45 with 3 zeros. So we get 45,000. Next, sixth part. 3.61492 multiplied 10 raised to power 6. Students, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits after decimal point. So we write 10 raised to power 5 as a denominator. Now 361,492 multiplied 10 raised to power 6 minus 5 is equal to 361,492 multiply 10. 6 minus 5 1. So we write here multiply 10. So we get 36,14,920 as a result. So students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this exercise in next video. Up till then, thank you.